Hello and welcome to Your World This Week, the weekly roundup for all the top news stories of the week. The top news stories this week are:
Britain has agreed to cede sovereignty of the Chagos Islands to Mauritius, concluding a long-standing dispute over the UK's last African colony. The decision follows a ruling by the International Court of Justice, which deemed the UK's separation of the Chagos archipelago from Mauritius in the 1960s as unlawful. Hurricane Helen's death toll in the United States has surpassed 200 after the states of Georgia and North Carolina reported more fatalities. More than 50% of the deaths were reported from North Carolina, where entire communities were uprooted and devastated by the deadliest mainland storm since Katrina in 2005, which killed more than 1,800 people. Republican Senator J.D. Vance and Democratic Governor Tim Walz of Minnesota met for the first and likely only vice presidential debate on Tuesday in New York City. The debate was largely cordial and substantive, with both candidates fielding questions on foreign policy, immigration, abortion, the economy, and more. Prime Minister Narendra Modi presided over a cabinet committee meeting on security over the crisis in West Asia on Thursday. The meeting reportedly focused on the implications of the conflict on trade and supply of petroleum products. The committee comprised of the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the Defence Minister, the Foreign Minister, the Finance Minister, and the National Security Advisor. Millie Bobby Brown and Jake Bon Jovi recently got married, and the couple are giving fans a glimpse into their enchanting wedding day, and it's nothing short of magical. The Stranger Things star and her beau tied the knot in Tuscany, Italy, and the couple unveiled a series of stunning wedding photographs on Instagram on October the 2nd, marking the first time they've shared moments from their special day.